Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Stripe to Zapier for AI invoice reminders. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to your Stripe account and log in. Once logged in, locate the API settings in the dashboard. Click on the Developers tab found in the left sidebar. Under the Developers section, select API Keys. Here, you'll see your publishable key and secret key. Copy the secret key, as you'll need it for Zapier. Now, open a new tab and go to your Zapier account. Log in or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button. In the Trigger App search bar, type Stripe and select it. Choose a trigger event, such as New Charge. Click Continue to connect your Stripe account. Paste the secret key you copied earlier into the required field. Click Yes, continue to test the connection. If the test is successful, proceed by clicking Continue. Now, you'll set up the action step. In the Action App search bar, type Email by Zapier. Select Send Outbound Email as the action event. Click Continue to configure your email settings. Fill in the recipient's email address in the To field. Use the variables from the Stripe trigger to customize your email content. Add a subject line to your email reminder. In the body of the email, you can include details about the invoice. Once you've set up the email, click Continue. Now, test your Zap by clicking on the Test and Continue button. If the test is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Finally, click Turn on Zap to activate your workflow. Your Stripe account is now connected to Zapier for AI invoice reminders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.